Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal, lecturer Department of Mathematics, Scholars School and College, Dhanmondi, Dhaka. My dear student, today I am going to discuss the solution of some indicial equation, which is for the students of class 9 and 10. And we have started our last class from exercise 5.3 and already we have done number 1 to number 8. Today I am going to discuss question number 9 to last. So hopefully, dear students, if you face any problem in question number 1 to question number 8, you can mention the question numbers. Hopefully I will discuss first your problems, then we will start our new topics. My dear students, and do attendance here and try to connect your friend and to be participant in this class. There are only 30 students are connected with this live. Dear students, you can tag or share this link to your friends to be connected with my live classes. This is higher mathematics class, so hopefully we are going to discuss one of the most important topics here, which is also connected with our general maths. In general mathematics, we see exercise 4.1, which is also indicial equations or simplification. These types of simplification is almost connected with this content, exercise 5.3, which is also indicial equation. This is one of the key part of solving equations. So first of all, do comments here, top line of the board and right side, left side, light and sound, everything okay? Can we start our class formally? My dear students, do comments. Dear students, do comments here, top line of the board and right side, left side and bottom line and lighting, everything. And do you hear me? My sound is clear to you. Can we start our class formally? Masudul Alam said, sir, yes sir, thank you sir. So I think everything okay. Can I start our class formally? There are only 30 students connected with this live. Dear students, try to share this link or in the comment section you can tag this link to your friends to be connected with this live classes. So hopefully this is the last class today. So dear students, already we have started our topics from the last classes. We discusses here, when we see here 2 times of x equal 4, then we find here x equal 4 by 2, which is 2, and this is the simple equation. This is simple equation. But we see, if we see here 2 to the power x equal 4, then what is the value of x? And these types of equation are not exactly simple equation. And simple equation solving system we started from class 6, and already you know how to find the solution of this equation or value of x. We started this content from class 6, 7, 8. So but this is the indicial equation we started in the class 9. So hopefully this is the part of your higher mathematics. It's little bit different from this one. First of all, this is called indicial equation. This is called indicial equation. And this indicial equation, first of all, you have to convert this indicial equation into simple equation. And first step, when you see this indicial, why this is called an indicial equation? Because the variable, this is the unknown quantity variable, is in the power. But here variable is in the simple equation and there is a coefficient, but this is the base here and this is the coefficient. When we see the requirement is in as a power, placed as a power position or index position, that's why we said this one is indicial equation. But this is not the power, this is they are the variable here, this is the coefficient, but this is the base and this is their power, that is index. When the requirement of variable is placed in this index form, then this equation is called indicial equation. And first of all, you have to convert this indicial equation into simple equation, then try to solve this equation. So first requirement, you have to convert this equation into simple equation, and then simple equation gradually, step by step, you can find its solution. So already we have done number 1 to number 8. Today I am going to discuss question number 9. So my dear students, if you have textbook in front of you, you can find your book exercise 5.3. We are going to start our second class question number 9. So first of all, you can write your comments. If you have faced any problem in previous classes, please do comments, or you can mention the question number, and I will review your comments, then I am going to start at the new topics. I think doing something mistake in this set, so I cannot read sometimes properly your comments here. So I think there is a 7B4, yes, thank you Lumain, Ifatuman. So you have checked so many your friends, thank you sir. So dear students, thank you sir. I think someone said this board is not seen the properly. I think okay, thank you sir, hopefully you can now see properly. Sometimes need a few seconds to load this video, that's why you can see something is buffering here. So be connected, hopefully we are going to start at our class formally. My dear students, the question number 1 to question number 12, there is in this content you see here question number 1 to total question number 12. But after question number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, these 5 maths almost the same. It's little bit different here. So give attention to the question number 9. First of all, question number 9, indicial equation. 5 times of x plus 5 times of 2 minus x, 5 to the power 2 minus x equal 26. This is the question number 9. There is no more condition here. Find the value of x. So first of all, we see the requirement, the variable is in the power. That's why this is the indicial equation. The requirement is in index. So my dear students, we have to convert this equation into simple equation. And now just separate this one, 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power 2 multiply 5 to the power minus x. Because if we see here x to the power 2 multiply x to the power 3, what we can write here, x to the power 2 plus 3. This is simple multiplication. So when we can convert this one into this form, definitely we can convert this one into this form. So this is the plus, that's why we did not write here invisible plus. But if this one is minus, that means first one is plus 2, second one is minus 3, then you have to mention here minus. So similarly we have done here x to the power 2 minus x, that means 5 to the power 2 minus x, that means 5 to the power 2 and 5 to the power minus x. And this is the 26 remaining here. So dear students, now we will do the second step. Give attention here. The second part, 5 to the power x plus this is the 25. What we see here, 5 to the power minus x, like 1 by a. What is mean? A inverse minus 1. 1 by a square indicate a inverse minus 2. So dear students, if we convert here like a inverse minus 3 will be 1 by a cube. So similarly 5 to the power minus x, similarly 5 to the power minus x, we can write here 5 to the power x. This initial negative form will be as a inverse one, that is 1 by something. So similarly we can write here this is 1 by 5 to the power x, and their right side equation same. Now what we see here, this is the 5 to the power x and 5 to the power x, and easily now we can convert this one into a simple equation. Just considering here 5 to the power x as a, and that now this is the 25, and this is the 1 by a. Now you can write here 26. Just use here side note, let 5 to the power x equal a. Just writing here 5 to the power x equal a. Now take the LCM here. Just write LCM a, because this is the denominator part is 1, there is denominator part is also 1. So now a multiplies, it's too much easy now to you, hopefully. This is the 25, and here this one is 26. Now we can write here, doing the cross multiplication, a square plus 25, and this is the 26a. And now we can write here, this is the last line, this is the a square minus 26a plus 25. So dear student, now do middle term factors here. Almost too much easy to you, already you have done this types of middle terms in previous classes. So this is the 25 and converted 25 into 26. So similarly we can start it from here. This is the a square minus 25a minus a, that is plus 26 equals 0. This is the simple calculation, the marginal part multiplication, 26 a square, 25 plus 1, yes. And if we do here, this is the this is the 25, this is the 25. Marginal part multiplication will be multiplication of two mid parts, because 25 multiplies square 25 a square 25, a multiplies 25a. Now a is common, a minus 25 you can write here, then minus 1 is common, a minus 25 equals 0. Or you can write here a minus 25 is one factor, another one a minus 1 equal to other. So either we can write here a minus 25 equals 0 or a equal 25, but the value of a is 5 to the power x, and this is the 5 to the power 2, so we can write here x equal 2. Our first answer is complete. Now attention, our second one again, or we can convert this one, a minus 1 equals 0, the second factor, or we can write here a equals to 1, or I think last line, yes, you can see the board. A means 5 to the power x equal 1 means 5 to the power 0. So we can write here x equals 0. So our answer will be answer x equal 0, comma, this is the 2. So dear students, I will review your comments. Please give attention and see line by line. And if you face any problem in any step, please do comments. Now I will review your comments. Dear students, if you understood this one, write yes or done, and if you face any problem or if you have any requirements, please do comments. Muhammad Hussain said, sir, understood, sir. Hafiz Rahman, clear, sir. Tell Merchant, the clear, sir. Thank you, sir. I also didn't understand Apnan Goni. Okay, I will revert. Mr. Apnan Goni, please mention which line you didn't understand properly. Please mention the line here, first one, second one, or you can mention here the first part or second part. Please, those who faces the problem here, please mention the first part or second part, and I will revise again this one. Zara Faiz is also watching. Okay, sir, thank you. Dear students, Okay, sir. Thank you. Alhamdulillah. I think one student has seen, sir. Clear, sir. Okay. I will review again. Dear student, I think someone said something. They did not understand properly. So, my dear students, give attention. It's too much easy maths. Just this equation is given here. First of all, we see here the requirement variable is in the power or index. That's why this equation is called indicial equation. And gradually we converted this indicial equation as a simple equation. Then we have done its solution. And this is the two part, 5 to the power 2 and 5 to the power minus x. It's like a simple multiplication of index. So this is the minus part shifted as a 1 by something like 5 to the power minus 1 will be 1 by 5. 5 to the power minus 2 will be 1 by 5 square. Now considering this one, considering this one 5 to the power x and 5 to the power x as a. Then 5 to the power x is a, and then right here, then doing the LCM, a multiply with a square, then dividing by a, doing the simple calculation, then do cross multiplication, you will get here the simple equation. And already we have done these types of middle term factors, and doing these middle term factors we get here two factors, because the power is 2, definitely we get here two factors, maximum power is 2. So either the first factor is 0 and putting the value of a equal to 5 to the power x and doing the similarly x equals to 2. The second factor is minus 1 equals to 0, that means 1 means 5 to the power 0, or you can write here 3 to the power 0, 7 to the power 0, 8 to the power 0. But what is essential? Because the left side base is 5, that's why you have to write here 5. So now the base, while the both side in the base are same, we can write also power is same. So this is our first answer. So my dear students, we will do now question number 10. It's also little bit difficult from this question number 9. Also most important here. So dear students, give attention. Question number 9. I think if you face any problem in question number 9 and after discussing the question number 10, your requirement will be fulfilled, inshallah. Give attention. I think this is the question number 10. Dear students, there's 3 times of 9 to the power x, 3 times of 9 to the power x minus 4 times of 3 to the power x minus 1. Am I right? 4 to the power, 4 into 3 to the power. This is the multiplication. 4 into 3 to the power, this the bracket is closed, then plus 1 equals 0. Yes, again reverse 3 times of 9 to the power x minus 4 into 3 to the power x minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. This is also the indicial equation because the variable requirement which is in the index form. So now do simple calculation here. So dear student, 3, now this one is 3, this one is 3, or you can simple do first line multiplication, 9 minus 3 multiply 4, or directly you can write here 12. I think this is the very 3 to this one is, you can convert this one is 3 to the power x and 3 to the power minus 1, and this is the plus 1 here equals to 0. Dear students, just we have multiplied with the 3. This is the 3 times of this one. This is the 3 4 the 12. As like as previous one, we changes this one or smallest to smallest from 3 to the power x minus 1 equal to 3 to the power x minus 1 equals to 0. So now, or this one 3, this one will be 3 squared, then x, now here minus 12, 3 to the power x, as like as previous one you can write here 3 inverse 1 means 1 by 3. This is the plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, this is the question number 10. Now do here 3, you can write here 3 to the power x, then 2 here, because like 3 to the power a multiply b, you can write here 3 to the power b multiply a, because when the this is the power and this is also the power, that's why the power will be simple multiplication. This one will gives you AB, this one also gives you AB. So similarly, now eliminating this one, you will get here 4 times. So now this one is the 4 times of 3 to the power x plus 1 equals 0. Now as like as previous line, 3, this one is a square minus 4a plus 1 equals 0. You can write here, let 3 to the power x equal a. Now this one is converted as a simple equation. Dear students, this is the initial equation converted as a simple polynomial equation, because the variable now shifted as a. That is, the requirement is a, this is not in the power. Now this equation converted as a simple polynomial equation. Now we will do as like as previous one. This is the 4. So now 3a square minus 3a, then minus 1 times of a plus 1 equal to 0. Or you can write here simple a. Just we use sometimes as the coefficient minus 1. That's maybe easier to you in taking the common in the second line. That's why maximum time I use here minus 1. It's maybe easier to you to identify which part is the common. 3a, a minus 1, and this is the minus 1, a minus 1, that is a 0. So dear students, how many factors you will get here? 2 factors. A minus 1 is one factor, and 3 to the power 3a minus 1 is another factor. So as like as previous one, now it's too much easy. Either you can write either the first factor a minus 1 equals 0, or you can write here a equal 1, or what is the value of a? 3 times. 3 times of x is, you can write here 3 times of 0. So x equals 0, first answer. Or the second factors, or which one is the second factors? 3 times of a minus 1. 3 times of a minus 1 equal to 0, or 3 times of a equals to 1, or a equal 1 by 3rd, or we can write here 3 to the power x equal 3 to the power minus 1. Because this is the fraction, we can convert it as the indicial form. Now both cases base are the same, so we can write here index also the same. So required solution, that is required solution x equal 0 comma minus 1, then you can write here answer 0 comma minus 1. So my dear students, almost the both math are same, or we have done question number 9 and question number 10. So if you have any problem, please mention the code line, or if you have no problems, please you can write the yes or done. Please do comments. Hema Ahmed sir, Assalamu alaikum. So sir, why you are late? Jahan, yes, okay sir, thank you. I think Mushfiq, you comments here, Malai, Jaiva, this is not true. Please write here relevant comments. Dear students, understood sir, easy, thank you. Muhammad Hussain says sir, it's too much easy, understood properly, thank you sir. Lomani Pak, sir, 12 এর পর যে করে নাই, I think 12 নাম্বারটা হচ্ছে আমাদের এখানে last maths. There is a 12 number is the last maths here. So almost in these classes we will complete indicial equation, then we will start at 5.1 inshallah. So too much is going on. Okay sir, I think Abdul Alim sir is also connected with us. Thank you sir. Dear students, if you have any problem or any requirements, please do comments, or either I am going to do the next one. Can you start out the next one? স্যার, রেহানা পারভিন, ক্লিয়ার স্যার, মুশফিক স্যার, আপনি তো আগের কমেন্টস করতেছেন। I think sir something problem in this set. I think the comments is not properly show. I think is it problem in the net? I don't know. But can you see my net here? Everything here? Okay sir, it's clear. Sir, clear sir. Sajida Levy second and third line. Oh, already one said the second and third line. Bujine sir. Lomain Ifat, okay, I will properly say it. No problem sir. Mushfiq, Masoodul Alam sir, no problem. And then sir, apnake kemon pore dekhe okay sir, assalamu alaikum, thank you. Sir, you can proceed. Okay sir, thank you. Murshid Alam also said. Then sir, you okay. We are going to start. Someone said, Lomain, students of class 9B2, my dear students, you said the second line you didn't understand properly. Okay, dear students, I think I need to off ceiling fan. It's making too much sound to you. Okay, dear students, first we multiplied here. Attention, first we multiplied here with 3. This is the 3 times of 9 to the power x. 3 4 is 12. And what we done here? This is 3 to the power x minus 1. If we write here 3 to the power a plus b, what will be here? 3 to the power a and 3 to the power b. So similarly, if it's 3 to the power minus ab, sorry, a minus b, then a is positive number, 3 to the power a and 3 to the power minus b. Similarly, we wrote here 3 to the power x and 3 to the power minus 1. Now, this is the positive sign as the index x. This is the positive sign, but this is the negative one. 3 to the power minus 1. Like 3 to the power 3 to the power minus a, you can write here 1 by 3 to the power a. 3 to the power a. So 3 to the power minus 2, we can write here 1 by 3 to the power 3 to the power 2. That means 1 by 9 we can convert it as a index from. Similarly, we have done this one and doing simple divide and taking the 3 to the power x, 3 to the power x equal a, and considering this one, doing the simple equation. Now this is converted as a simple polynomial equation. And we know how to find the solution of simple polynomial equation. This is the middle term form. So doing the middle term, just you will get here 2 factors, because this is the maximum power is 2. Definitely you will get here 2 factors. And doing the factors, as the first one is a 0, definitely 3 to the power x equal to. Sometimes student do mistake, they use here answer. Dear student, give attention. This is not our answer, because this is the a which already we came from. 3 to the power x equals to a. Sometimes by doing mistake, they just after multiplication on middle term factor, they write here answer. This is not right. You have to give more attention. A is not the part of our maths here. This is came from that 3 to the power x equals to a. That's why you have to apply the value of a. And then doing the simple calculation. This is the result, x equal minus 1, x equal minus 1, x equal 0. This is the true answer. So my dear students, now give attention to the next one. Number 11, number 10 is complete. Number 11 and number 12. There are also 2 maths here. So hopefully only remaining 2 maths here. So inshallah we will do first number 11, then inshallah number 12, almost the same. This is the question number 11. The next one, 4 to the power 1 minus x plus 4 to the power 1 minus, sorry, x plus 2. Sorry, this one is x plus 2. X plus 2, and this one second part is 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 equal 10. Just give attention to the maths. Almost as like as previous one, you can started this one. Dear students, first you can try this one 1 or 2 minutes. How many students can do this one properly? Please give attention. Same by okay sir. I think dear student, if you face any problem, please do comments. It's almost too much easy maths here, and we will do this one as like as previous one. So my dear students, okay, first of all, as like as previous one, 4 to the power x and 4 to the power 2. 4 to the power 1 and 4 to the power minus 6. Now here 4 to the power x multiply 16 plus 4 multiply 1 by 4 to the power x equal 10. So dear student, already we said here these are both are same. You can use here a 4 to the power x considering as a. So this one will be a multiplied with the 16 plus 4 divided by a equal 10. So as like as previous one, right here, let 4 to the power x equal a. So now as like as previous one, taking here LCM a, this is a 16a square plus 4. You can write here 10, or do cross multiplication. 16a square plus 4 equal 10a, or you can write here 16a square minus 10a plus 4 equals 0, or you can write here taking common. You can take here the 2 as a common. So 8a square minus 5a plus 2 equals 0. So dear students, divided by the 2 you will get here 8a square minus 5 times of a plus 2 equals 0. Now do factors here. This is the 16, 2, 5 and 8. Multiply with 2, this is the 16. 16 will be 5. You can write here 2 times of 8, 2 times of 4 and 2 times of 2. This is the now 5, 8, 16, 5 to the 10 and 2. So 16, 8 to the 16, 4 for the 16. We have done something wrong here. Just revise again. 4 to the power 2, 16, 4 to the power x and 4 to the power 2. The first one, OMG. Sir, we have done here mistake. This one will be 4 to the power 1. I think question number 11 we have done here mistake. 4 to the power 1 plus x. That's why. Okay, sorry, extremely we have done here mistake. We started here 4 to the power x. This one will be 1. Sorry, sir. I think video play you can start it this one. This is now multiply with 4. So 4 times of a. This is the 4a square. 4a square. You can also write here 4a square. Sorry. 4a square here 2 common. Taking here 2 common, we will get here 2 is a common, twice a square minus 5 times of a plus 2, 2 equals to 0. So dividing by the 2 times of a square, this will be 2 times of a square and 5 times of a square, 5a plus 2 equals to 0. Now do simple middle term factors here. Okay, this is now 2a square minus 4 minus 1 minus 4a minus 1a plus 2 equals 0, or twice a is common, a minus 2 minus 1 is common, a minus 2 is 0. Or you can write here, or a minus 2 is one factor, twice a minus 1 equals to another factor. So either a minus 2, or you can write here either a minus 2 equals to 0, or a equals to 2, or a is the value of 4 to the power x equal 4 to the power x equal 2, or you can write here 2 to the power twice x, 2 to the power 2 equals to 2 to the power 1, or you can write here 2 to the power twice x equals to 2 to the power 1, or twice x equals to 1, or x equals to 1 by 2. This is our first answer on the first factors. Again, a minus 2 is another factors, or second one. Or you can start the second factors, a minus 2 equal to 0, or a equals to 2, or 2 to the power, this is the first, the second factors, the remaining twice a minus 1, so another one, or we can add twice a minus 1 equals to 0, or a equals to 1 by 2, we started a equals to 1 by 2, that means a equals to 1 by 2, value of a is 4 to the power x now, or 4 to the power x equal 1 by 2, or 2 to the power twice x equals to 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power x equals to minus 1, or you can write here 2 to the power x equals to minus 1, or x equals to minus 1 by 2. So first of all, x equals to the first one half, and minus second one is minus half. Oh, this is the both our answer, required solution, x equal minus half and x equal half. So this is the last line, you can write here answer, actually answer minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So dear students, if you face any problem, please do comments. I think this is the too much lengthy maths, just at a time you can see the first line to last line, that's why I wrote here as a smallest form size. So if you face any problem, please do comments, or if you understood this one properly, please write down yes or not. Just we have remaining only one maths here, question number 12. So dear students, sir, একটু হবে some mushfiq, no sir. Okay, I think something problem in this phone I am using to review your comments at my laptop. Understood sir? Hafizur Rahman, thank you sir. Sajid Rahman, yes sir. Sajid Sarwar, yes sir. I think someone said it's not properly seen. I think everything now okay? Okay. already I can see in this my mobile also, so it's seen the properly. Why you are facing problem I can't understand. Okay, this is the next one. Sir, sir আরেকবার একটু রিপিট করবেন? মাহমুদুল আলম, থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার। ওকে, আই উইল রিপিট। ক্লিয়ার স্যার? ওকে, একজন লিখলো স্যার বোর্ড ক্লিয়ার, থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার। সাজিদ রহমান, no problem sir, thank you. Someone said sir, do clear again, do repeat again. Okay sir, if you understood this one properly, please write down yes. Okay, my dear students, give attention. I think already we have done our previous 3 or 4 messages like as this one, but totally same. The 4 times of x plus 1, 1 minus 6. Now just dividing or separating this plus from as a 2 simple unit or 2 unit, 4 to the power x, 4 to the power 1, 4 to the power 1 and 4 to the power minus x. Already we discussed these topics in previous maths, and the minus 1 shifted as a 1 by 1, 1 by something, that is this one will be 1 by 4 to the power minus 6. Now this 4 to the power minus 6 considering as a 4 to the power minus 6 as a, just you have to write here, or you can write here 4 to the power x equal p q or whatever just you want to, you can write. So just doing the LCM, we can use here as the middle part, just doing a simple LCM between this part and doing the cross multiplication without taking common. You can also do factorization here, but if we take the common, this unit will be smallest from, but without taking the common you can do middle term factors here. This one will give the same answer. So just taking here 2 common, dividing with the 2, this one will be eliminated if you divide it by 2 in both cases. This is the 2 factors here, a minus 2 and a twice a minus 1. Considering the first one, either this one is 0, and doing the simple calculation, this is the 4 to the power x, 4 to the power 2, that is 2 to the power x, and shifting, this is the base, both cases base are same, so power will be same. The first factors give you 1 by 2. Now consider here the second factor, to the twice a minus 1, twice a minus 1, then doing a equals to 1 by 2, and the putting the value of 4 to the power x, 2 to the power twice x, and now in both cases what you see here, 2 is the base, so eliminating the same bases. This the indicial from also converted as a simple from, 2 to the power x, x equals to minus half. So dear students, just we have only remaining question number 12. This is the last question in this exercise, so give attention. It's also too much easy. If you have no problem, I am going to start at the next one. Dear student, do comments if you face any problem, or either I am going to start it next question. If you have no problem in this content, I am going to start at the next question. Dear students, sir, reply sir, sir, you get the tired after super. So sir, আমি খুব বেশি কন্টিনিউ করব না, আর একটি মাত্র ম্যাথস আছে আমাদের, আমি একটু রোজা আছে, আমি ইফতারি রেডি করব। সো ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, আর আমাদের যে ক্লাসটি তোমাদের খুব বেশি সময় নিব না, আর হয়তো 5 থেকে 6 মিনিটের মতো সময় লাগবে। জাস্ট অনলি one maths remaining here, question number 12. And if you have no problem now in this maths, I'm going to start at the next one. Please do comments. If you understood this one, you can write here yes. Okay, I think Mushfiq said the sir no problem, you can start at the next one. Thank you sir. Okay, dear student, this is the last maths only remaining in this content, so hopefully I have done number 1 to number 12. That's the lucky to you. If you face any problem anytime, you can revise this content, and these types of content also available in my YouTube site. So all academic content you can get here. If you face any problem, you can also comment there. Hopefully Kamal sir is always ready to review your comments, Mr. Okay, number 12. 2 to the power twice x, then minus 3 times, so 2 to the power x plus 2, and this is number minus 32. Just give attention what we see here. As like as previous maths, we converted this indicial form into the simple form. So now 2 to the power x multiplied 2. Because in the next line we will write 2 to the power x equal a or b, something. What you want you can write. This is the 3 to the power 3 now x 2 to the power 2 minus 30. Just revise. Already we have done 2, 3, 2 to the power twice x minus 1, 32. Okay, now write a square minus, this is the 4. 4 multiply 3, 12a plus 32 equal to 0. Dear student, give attention again. You can use a side note. Let 2 to the power x equal a. So this is the a square. 3 4 12a. Then 32 right side to left side converted. Now do middle term factors here. 12, 32. So my dear students, write here 32. 2, 1, then 6, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, then 2, 2. Converted this one as a 12. What we see here, 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4. So a square minus 8a minus 4a. Minus 8a minus 4a minus 12 plus 32 equals to 0. The multiplication of two indicial form. This is a simple technique. Multiplication of two indicial form and multiplication of two middle forms. Because this is the 32a square. This is also the 32 square. A simple calculation here. So now taking the common here, a minus 8 minus 4, a minus 8. First factor, a minus 8, a minus 4, 0. So now started from the next one. Dear students, either a minus 8 equals to 0 or 4 to the power x equal 8 using the value of a, or 4 to the power x equal, I think this is little bit difficult to convert it this one as a 1, so you can write here 2 to the power 2x and 2 to the power 3. In both cases base are the same. So 2 to the power twice 6 equals to 2 to the power 3. So now 2 to the power x equal 3 or x equal 3 by 2. So dear student, the first factor give us x equal 3 by 2. Attention to the second factors, or a minus 4 equals 0, or we can write here 4 to the power x equal 4, or 4 to the power x equal 4 to the power 1, or you can write here x equals to 1. So the required solution, x equal 1 and 3 by 2. Answer is 1, 3 by 2. So my dear students, we have completed the full exercise 5.3 indicial equation. So hopefully if you face any problem, please do comments. Inshallah, we are going to close our class within a short times. Dear students, do comments. I think today we have done 4 or 5 maths almost the same. All are together using the same formula, factorizations. I think sir, Assalamu alaikum sir, আবার একটু দেখেন স্যার, আবার একটু দেখেন 2 to the power x equal a, Yes, 2 to the power x equal a kibabe. This one, okay, I will discuss. Already we using here the 2 to the power x. This is the 2 power. We can shift it the left to right, right to left. So as like as similarly using this one 2 to the power x, we converted here 2 to the power x. Considering this one 2 to the power x equal a. Now 2 to the power x equal a, this one will be a square, and this is also a square. So now doing the simple middle term factors. Buchi sir, yes, Sajid, no problem sir. I think I cannot read your name properly, just I can read these comments because I think from this mobile is doing the something problems. The comments is not loading properly. So done everything. I think someone said done. Rabita Rahman sir, bule phone na sir, sir bulto phone na. Number done sir, thank you sir. Allah Hafiz Mashad Malik, okay sir, thank you. Sajid Rahman, okay sir, I think you understood this one properly. My dear students, in my next classes I will started the 5.1, which is the solution of quadratic equation. This is most important part in higher mathematics. I think this content also you can use in intermediate level. So hopefully see in the next classes I will discuss exercise 5.1, which is how to solve quadratic equation. I will show 3 or 4 different methods to you. So hopefully see with you in the next classes. And those who have enjoyed this class, and thank you very much. Hopefully see with you in the next classes. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.